How's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another budget-friendly meal, you guys. Today, y'all know I love my greens. So if you're ready for this green video, just come on in. So today, you guys, we're going to have some smoked collard greens. I mean, not smoked collard greens, but some neck bones and smoked collard greens. So what I am doing is I'm going to rinse off these neck bones. And I'm going to show you how to clean them, you know. Because most people buy these neck bones and they just open up the pack and they just throw it and they just make their collard greens. Right? But we're not doing that. You got to wash them off. And a lot of people use lemon and stuff. I just use water. Because these are smoked collard greens. Now guys, you see all of this in the middle of it? I want to take that out. And be careful on what you're using to take it out. But we're going to take all of that out of there and clean these neck bones. Because your girl don't want all of that in there, right? Now some you're not going to be able to get down in there. But if it's loose and stuff like that, get in there and get that stuff out of there, you know? Get it out of there. Let me get one of these. Such as this, right? This right here, let me bring it up to you guys. This right here, you want to take that out of there. You know, some people, they leave it in there, you know. But I'm going to go ahead and clean that out and get that out of there. Because I don't want all of that. See how I got that out of there? That's what you don't want. At least I don't anyway, right? Because I want me a clean neck bone. And, you know, like I say, if you pay attention to your pot of greens, you'll see all of that gooiness come to a surface when you boil it, you know? And I also go in between here and I clean all of that out. Just clean it out. Because you want a good pot of greens, right? Yes, you want a good pot of greens. Now, I'm not bashing anyone cooking because we all cook different. But just don't throw that pot on there, okay? Just don't do that. I cannot stress that enough. And I am done. Now with these collard greens, I'm just going to put some cornbread as I normally do. But this is a one-pot meal that you can enjoy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit this right here and clean out this sink right quick, you guys. So yeah, we'll be back. So guys, we have chopped up our greens, you guys. And I'm just going to wash this, rinse this off right quick, and we're going to put this right here. And we're going to put our little trusted knife right here. Let me slide it in here. I got so many knives over here, it's ridiculous. But anywho, you guys, I must say, you guys, I love me some good collard greens. And thank you. This is my first collab with Sister Emma from the Montgomery Family Channel. You guys, if you're not familiar with her, go over and support her, because it's many ways you can cook collard greens. It is so many ways. And I'm just going to go ahead and add me some water in here right quick. And yeah, I think she's cooking her greens with smoked turkey tails, you guys. I mean, that is good eating, okay? If you're not familiar with it. And that's what I'm going to use, because I didn't saw Sister Emma use this saffron. So I decided I'm going to cook the greens with some of this, as well as I'm going to see what else up in the cabinet, you guys, that I want to try, you know. So I got to take some of these seasonings down, and I'm going to show you what we're going to use in this, okay? We're going to put some meat tenderizer, for one thing, over in my pot, which you guys cannot see, because I'm not going to move the camera. Y'all watch that water for me now, okay? That's what I need you guys to do. But we're going to put a little meat tenderizer over in the neck bones, right? And some people wash their greens with salt, and I'm just going to use a little pink salt in here, just a little, not nothing major, okay? So we're going to go and give these greens a rinse or two, because that's what I do. And I use my bare hand, and we're just going to swirl them around, make sure we get all dirt, all bugs, because you know sometimes the greens come with bugs in them. But you know, I know how to pick them, you know. I just love me some greens, you guys. That's one of my favorite veggies around here. And you guys, what's your favorite veggies? I'm going to bring some mustards and turnips. And maybe cow greens. I don't know. But I try to get at least a green in. We're going to let that sit and rest for a minute, so that all the dirt and everything can hit the surface. Okay, guys. So as you see, I have brought my pot of neck bones to a boil. Now I'm just going to remove these so that I can make some room for the collard greens. You guys, this is going to be so delicious. You know, I have my meat tenderizer already in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to submerge just some greens up in here, you guys. And I want you guys to go over there and check out Sister Emma now. Whatever you do, we got our greens right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to stop them from falling first of all. Okay? And we're going to go and submerge our greens right over in this hot liquid. All of this yummy juice. I'm going to submerge as much as we can in here. Now, I only use 3 bundles, but I know this 3 bundles is going to make a tight pot of delicious greens. You want to make sure that you have at least a quarter worth of water in your pot. Okay, so I had got all my greens in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a good stir. Okay? Because I want to bring what's already cooked a little down to the top. You guys, check out this. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good tight pot of greens. Okay? We're going to put that one back in. It's trying to jump ship. Okay? Now, for you guys that know, this is one of my big things on YouTube as far as how to cook greens. But this also my first collab, you guys. Like I said, I will leave Sister Emma video link in the description for you guys. Okay, so I have enough room. So now this is my first time using saffron. I don't know if, you know. But anywho, we're going to use this in our greens. Now, many say, well, I don't know, that's for soups and everything. Let me tell you something. Let's put that paper right there, because we don't want that to get in there. We're just going to use this, right? Because certain seasons have certain purposes. But me, myself, I don't deny myself seasoning. We're going to put us some black pepper on here. Some black pepper. We don't need a lot. We're going to put us some crushed peppers on here, because that's what kind of greens I'm in a mood for. I never opened this one. Oh, yes, I did. We're just going to put us some crushed peppers just like that on there. Yes, and we got us some slap at your mama. Okay? And that's all the seasoning I'm just going to use. Because I got to watch my sodium intake, okay? Now, let's not forget your extra virgin olive oil. Y'all, that Captain, I just like to go around it. Hit it for the one time, you know. Hit it for the one time. Now, reason why I like to use extra virgin olive oil, because it's good on the digestive system. But, don't get me wrong. If I had some, cooking oil, such as what I fry chicken in and stuff like that, hey, I would have been the first to use it before I use that extra virgin olive oil. But it is what it is, okay? Your girl, you know, she don't have that. So, now what we're going to do is put our meat back in here, right? We're going to put our meat back in here, because those are smoked neck bones. I enjoy a good pot of smoked neck bones with my greens. That's why you didn't see me add any salt, because sometimes, you know, well, for the majority part, you know, the smoked neck bones has a little salt taste on them, okay? So your girl just, we're having the neck bones at this point, okay? As we call them, we're smothering them, okay? And we're just going to go ahead, and yes, my hands are clean. Okay, we're just going to go and add these on in here. Just like that. But meantime, I'm going to get ready and make us some cornbread to go with this. Baby, that's what you call good eating. Good eating, okay? And we're going to close that in the Dutch oven pot. And we're going to let that do its thing. And we'll be back when dinner is done. So guys, we are back. You hear my twin talking, but anywho, we are back, you guys. And this is the completion of my collard greens, you guys. So I got a good, nice hot pot of collard greens. And yeah, that's what it is, you guys. So I'm going to get ready to close this video out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, we got some cornbread over here too, you guys.
This motherfucking taste gonna stop me. Clearly you're doing shit that people want to see. Okay? And since the people want to see it, then let me go ahead and bring my entertaining ass up on my platform to let you know, bitch, I do.